Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. Watermelon cucumber lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing watermelon cucumber lemonade, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, 2 cucumber, lemons, watermelon, water, and ice. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I am going to take it to the stove, cook it until the sugar has dissolved completely and the water turns just a little bit yellow. That's when you know that the simple syrup is ready to go. Of course, I am going to let it boil for about 2 minutes, and then I am ready to remove it from the stove and let it cool down to room temperature. And here I have organic lemons from my garden. I am going to get the juice out of the lemons with this little gadget. I don't leave anything behind, and I'm going to use about 1 cup of lemon juice. Look at this. Of course, don't forget to remove the seeds. And here I have 2 cucumbers that I'm going to go ahead, cut the edges, and take the skin off. This part is very important. You always want to make sure that you remove all the skin because we are going to blend these 2 cucumbers. Of course, I am going to use 3 because I'm going to use 1 of the cucumbers for the presentation, for the decoration of the pitcher and my glass. And here I have an extra cucumber that I'm going to just slice. I am going to leave the skin behind, and I'm going to slice it nice and thin so that it really releases all that amazing flavor of the cucumber. Look at this. Of course, I am going to go ahead and add some water to the cucumber. I have my NutriBullet cup. To this, I'm going to add the pinch of salt. You're going to be thinking, why a pinch of salt? The pinch of salt is going to bring those flavors up. They're going to bring the flavors of the cucumber, bring the flavors of the watermelon, and reduce the acidity of the lemon. Yes, and here I have already in cubes the watermelon. I am going to add it to my NutriBullet cup. Of course, I'm using this cup because I only use this cup for lemonades or smoothies. I don't want to use a regular blender, or my lemonade is going to be nice and spicy. So that's why. Now I am ready to blend away. Look at this. Once you blend it, just keep adding the watermelon until you are done with the 4 cups of chopped watermelon. I am going to continue blending. And of course, I am going to put it through a sifter. You want to make sure that when you make this amazing and refreshing lemonade, you put it into a sifter, getting all the skin completely out. You really only want the liquid. So here, all that extra fiber I'm not going to use in this lemonade. Look at this. I am first adding the cucumber. I'm going to mix it really good. This is the part that takes a little longer, getting all the juice out of the fiber of the cucumber. Once this is done, I'm going to put it aside because I am going to add this to my garden. I am going to go ahead and add it to my garden. Now I want to continue with the watermelon. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it through a sifter. I'm going to help myself with the spoon, getting all the delicious liquid out. The flavor of the watermelon. This watermelon is so juicy that, believe me, once you make it, you are really going to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Well, here I'm going to stay getting all the juice out slowly because I really want to enjoy this lemonade. I'm going to get all the juice out, all the pulp. I'm going to add it back to my garden, returning all the vitamins, all the fiber into my garden. But here I'm going to continue, and now that I am done, I'm going to go ahead and whisk everything in. I'm going to add my simple syrup. I'm going to add my lemon juice. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you are actually using less sugar. Of course, you could sweeten your lemonade with agave, with honey, with diet sugar. You decide. But here, when you make your simple syrup, you're actually using less granulated sugar. And here, look at the color. It just looks amazing. The aroma of the cucumber and watermelon, just amazing. In my picture, I have slices of the cucumber, and now I am ready to pour the amazing lemonade. This looks amazing. The color is a light pink. The combination of the slices of the cucumber, this really looks amazing, and I am sure it's gonna be so refreshing. Refresh yourself this summer with Cooking with Gloria, the queen of the lemonades. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing watermelon cucumber lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God, so refreshing. The combination of the watermelon and cucumber. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you make it and you refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.